welcome to the Hoops Family Network. Today we are here at the Rainforest Cafe, so please subscribe if you're new, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below. Have you ever been to Rainforest Cafe? Let us know. Today we are going to show you a little bit of the indoors and what we like to eat when we're here. So stay tuned for more.
Okay, we are here at the Rainforest Cafe at Animal Kingdom. The experience is still pretty much the same as when we were here 2 years ago. The only difference is they have a limited menu for the adults, where one side of the menu is going to be food options and the other side is going to be the drink options. They still do offer a kids menu with pretty much the full amount of kids foods as they did before. But you still have your options of some seafood, steak, pastas, appetizers, soup, salad, stuff like that. My wife ordered the steak. I ordered the steak, ribs, and shrimp combo. And our son ordered the mac and cheese. Once we get the food items, we will show you those and do a review of the food as well. So stay tuned, and we're also going to be filming some of the restaurant here just so you guys can kind of get an idea of what the experience is like as well. So stay tuned.
Hang on. I'm trying to record right now.
Why do you need to take the bus around?
Okay, so I had the steak. I showed you my plate. It was amazing. The fried veggies were incredible. The steak was just perfect. And the mashed potatoes, I'm a mashed potato person. I love mashed potatoes. So I loved it all. Ryan, come here.
What'd you think of your
What
macaroni?
did you think of your mac and cheese and applesauce? And you had oranges as well.
Was it good?
Yeah. He had it gone like within 5 minutes of getting his food. And then, now, Kevin's turn.
And then I had the steak, ribs, and shrimp. All of it was very fantastic. The ribs were done perfectly. The shrimp, the breading on the shrimp was really good. The steak was good too. Not one of my favorite steaks, but I'd still get it again just because they do a very good job at cooking it. I also had fries and coleslaw with mine. I don't like coleslaw, so I just kept it to the side, but the fries were okay. Typical fries at a restaurant. But overall, it was a good meal.
So all in all, it was a great experience. Definitely, if you have little ones, you definitely want to do this. We even ordered him an ice cream sandwich for his birthday, and they brought it out to him, lit a candle, and sang happy birthday to him. So it's a great place for especially a memorable moment. So thank you for watching our food review on the Rainforest Cafe. We hope to see you in our next video, and we'll see you again soon.